students, good morning to all. Today is your science class. What is the first lesson name? Yes, my body. Today we are going to see bones and muscles and external organs. Before we get into the lesson, let's all do some exercise. Children, all of you clap your hands. Clap your hands loudly. Okay, all of you jump up. All of you jump. Stand up and jump. Yes. Okay. Now let's see bones and muscle. Our body is made up of bones and muscle. Okay, where is our bone is located? Yes, our bone is located inside our body. If you press your upper arm, okay children, you also press your upper arm with me. Yes. If you press your upper arm, you will feel hard to touch. Okay, this portion only is called bone. Okay, the portion if you feel soft to touch, that is called muscle. That portion if you feel soft to touch, that is called muscle. Okay, so muscles are soft part and also they cover our bones. They help us to cover our bones. The bones gives us shape and also they are frame for our body. They allow us to jump, run and also lie down. And also bones protected our internal organs. So our muscles are very soft. Muscles covers our bones. So our muscles are help us to move our different parts of our body by tightening or loosening like a rubber band. Children, in order to maintain our healthy bones, we have to take healthy food such as milk, egg and cheese. For muscle, we need to exercise. Do you know children? The babies are born with 300 bones. The babies are born with 300 bones, but adults we have only 206 bones. So we have 2 or 6 bones in our body. Children, one amazing fact that when we smile, our 17 muscles are functioning. When we get angry, our 43 muscles are functioning. Okay, so keep smile and save your energy. Children, let us take care of our body by knowing some activities. For brain, we have to sleep 8 hours. We have to sleep how many hours? 8 hours. For heart, we avoid eating fatty food. Avoid eating fatty food. For stomach, you have to take healthy food on time. You have to take healthy food on time. For kidney, you have to drink plenty of water. You have to drink plenty of water. For muscles and bones, you have to do exercise. For muscles and bone, you have to do exercise. Now let's see external organs. In this we are going to see teeth and its types. Teeth and its types. Okay, our teeth are the hardest part in our body. So our teeth are very strongest part in our body. They are help us to cutting and chewing the food and also found in the mouth. They are found inside our mouth. Yes, there are 2 types of teeth in our lifetimes. There are 2 types of teeth in our lifetimes, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, let's see briefly about milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay children, now let's see briefly about milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, what is milk teeth? The first set of teeth starts to develop from the age of 6 months. They are called milk teeth. Yes, when we are in 6 month baby, no, the 10th set of teeth start to develop. That teeth called milk teeth, and they are 20 in numbers. How many teeth are there in 6 months? 20 teeth are there in 6 month baby. At the age of 6 or 7, the second set of teeth will grow. See, after the milk teeth falls, no, the second set of teeth will grow at the age of 6 or 7. Now you are 8 years old or 9 years old. So you have now second set of teeth. That is called permanent teeth. The second set of teeth are called permanent. There are 4 types of teeth children, that is incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Repeat the spelling after me, children. Incisors. 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 Canines. 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 Premolar. PREMOLARS. Premolars and molars. 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 See, if permanent teeth fall, we cannot grow one more set of teeth. So, it is very important to take care of our teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in our mouth. There are how many teeth, children? 32 permanent teeth. Now, let's see importance of oral health. Importance of oral health. Okay, children, now we'll see importance of oral health. As we learn, it is important to take care of our teeth and also our mouth. If you do not care of your mouth and teeth, you will have problems with eating and speaking. See, children, if you do not care your mouth and teeth means you will have problems with eating and speaking. So, take care of your teeth and mouth. Next, let's see healthy mouth. It is important to take care of our teeth and mouth. Brushing teeth and eating healthy food and regular dental checkup keep us healthy. So we should brush our teeth twice a day. See, children, we should brush our teeth twice a day. In a day, we have to brush our teeth 2 times. Children, now let's see the food for healthy mouth and teeth. Yes, take plenty of fruits and vegetables and dairy products. Take fruits and vegetables and dairy products and drink water and milk instead of juice. Drink water and milk instead of juice and take green leaves and brush your teeth twice a day. Then, which is bad for our teeth means juice, biscuit and chocolate and cakes, ice cream, lollipop. See, you avoid eating this as less as possible. Fifth one is taking care of mouth and teeth. Here we have 4 points. First point is change toothbrush once in every 3 months. So you have to change your toothbrush once in every 3 months. Then avoid sticky food. Then third point, brush twice a day. See, children, you have to brush your teeth twice a day after getting up and bed, before going to bed. Then rinse your mouth with water every time after you eat. See, whenever you eat food or any snacks, after that you have to rinse your mouth with water. See, children, now we have neem toothbrush. See, researchers believe that use of neem toothbrushes is the reason behind the bright smiles and healthy teeth of Indian villagers. So our Indians traditionally chew the neem twigs to keep their gums and teeth healthy. Okay, children, now try to answer this. Put tick for good food items for our teeth and put cross symbol for bad for our teeth. Okay, green leaves. Is it good for our teeth? Yes, is it good for our teeth? So put tick symbol here. Then candies. Is it bad for our teeth? Yes. So you have to put wrong, cross. Then cabbage. It is good for our teeth. So put tick here. Then lollipop. This is also bad for our teeth. So put wrong here. Then ice cream. So this is also bad for our teeth. So put wrong here. Then we have carrot. It is good for our teeth? Yes. So you have to put tick here. Then water. Water also good for our teeth. So you have to put tick here. Then meat. It is also bad for our teeth. So you have to put cross symbol. Then we have biscuits. So this is also bad for our teeth. You have to put cross. Then we have egg. It is good for our teeth? Yes, it is good for our teeth. So put tick here. Then we have badam. So it is good for our teeth. Put tick here. Then finally we have ice cream. It is bad for our teeth. Put cross symbol. Okay, thank you students. I will send you the homework in WhatsApp. You check it and write it and send it to me. Thank you.